In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change region country in Adobe Creative Cloud. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the region selector on Adobe's site and how to switch it so the language, pricing, and content reflect the country you need. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Adobe site for Creative Cloud for Teams. If you're not sure of the exact address, simply search for Adobe Creative Cloud for Teams and click the official Adobe result. This page is part of Adobe's Business and Teams offering, but the region selector here controls the website experience in general, so it's a reliable place to make the switch. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. We're aiming for the footer, which is the section that spans the lower edge of the page. Depending on your screen size, you might need to keep scrolling past several promotional sections and help links to reach it. If you can't see the footer, try briefly zooming out your browser or closing any pop-ups that might be covering it. At the bottom left of the screen, look for the option labeled Change Region. It's typically near the site language and legal links. Sometimes you'll also see a small globe icon or a country name already displayed. That's your current website region. If you don't see it right away, scan the lower corners carefully. Footers can be dense with links. Click Change Region. This will open a panel or list of available countries and regions supported by Adobe's site. You won't be changing your account's billing country here. You're adjusting the website's regional settings, which influence the language, currency, and product availability shown as you browse. Now select the country or region you want from the list. After you click your choice, the page will refresh. Give it a moment to update. You should notice the site language, currency indicators, and local offers reflect the region you picked. If the page doesn't refresh automatically, a quick manual refresh will finalize the change. A few helpful tips as you finish up. This region switch is about your browsing experience. If you need to change the billing country on a subscription or move licenses for a team, that usually requires account level changes through Adobe Admin Console or support. Also, if you're signed in, you might see content tailored to your account. The region selector still controls the site's display, but account settings can influence what's shown. That's it. You've changed the region on Adobe Creative Cloud's site. If you travel or manage content across markets, you can return to the footer anytime and switch it back just as easily.